Hey there, good morning. So we're getting some rain this morning, but the ongoing drought continues to be a problem in our community and our water supply. So Governor Greg Abbott is pushing lawmakers to set aside money to fix the state's water infrastructure, leaking pipes, and find new ways to secure the state's water supply in the future. Texas Tribune is tracking several bills and where they are in the process. So far, 10 bills have been filed. I talked to one Hill Country man right here who tells me he's making an investment to make sure that one way or the other, he has water. You moved here 8 years ago.
Right.
And where do you get your water?
I live off of rainwater totally. I don't have a well because of the cost of the well and the water's bad. So I went with the rainwater.
Brian Schewe calls rainwater the new gold.
So it collects down here?
So the water comes down here in the back, and it comes out in the front too. And the front has to go, it all goes underground and meets together, and then it has to come uphill to get back here in the backyard and get up in here.
When was the last time you got rain here?
Well, I only got a ½ an inch, and it went up from about here to here. So that's about 200, that's about 500 gallons, I think.
Unless there's rain, the 13.5 thousand gallons of rainwater he's collected so far will last him about 6 months.
So you're always watching
Yes,
the weathercast
every day.
and looking up at the clouds.
Yes, every day.
To diversify his water collection method, he decided to pull it from the air. This water was made through an atmospheric water generator. The machine works like an AC unit. It pulls the humidity from the air and turns it into drinkable water. He stores them in these 3 tanks.
When the pump comes on, it'll pump the water out up to the back of that tank, and then if you come around here, you can see how much water I got with that red bobber.
Filled with enough water to water his grass for about 6 weeks.
Does it cost a lot of energy, power, electricity?
It does use a lot of electricity. It's better to use electricity than have drilled a well.
By the way, Schewe also has solar panels installed. The Schewe brothers are co-founders of Aquaria. They say while water out of air technology has been around for a while, it's just now starting to be accessible for homes.
As our state is improving our water supply, improving our water infrastructure, this is something that you can do at the same time, but it's within your control.
And so to water my grass, I'll go through these 3 tanks if they're full in 7 weeks.
Cheers!
Cheers.
And Schewe could drink the water from the machines, but right now his drinking water strictly comes from rain collection tanks. He's constantly looking for ways to maximize his water supply. And yes, there are other companies that offer this atmospheric water generators, and they come in different sizes. So do your homework if you make that investment. On KSAT.com, we'll tell you how much the machine that you saw there cost. Guys?